Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Tuesday morning. It's baking day. Yes, first I want to recap from yesterday where I prepared the creamy balsamic chicken with egg noodles and a zucchini saute. It was very good. Definitely a repeat on the chicken. So let's head into today. Today I'm going to be baking an apple cinnamon cake. Should be good. It's pretty basic. And let's see what we got here. Basically, you're seeing the gathering of the ingredients. Normally, it's usually spread for more of a prep. So we got some all-purpose flour, some vegetable oil, vanilla. The vanilla is from Mexico. Usually when my brother-in-law goes down south on mission trips, I have him bring me back a small bottle. And there's some sour cream, some Granny Smiths. The apples on the right were given to me by a friend from Apple Hill. I cannot identify them. So if you're watching this video and you know what they are, please let me know. So I'm going to use two types of apples. Granulated sugar, of course. We got some powdered sugar for the topping. A couple eggs, salt, cinnamon, of course, baking powder, baking soda. And there's the recipe, and there's my prep area, which I'm getting put together. So that's it. I'm going to keep it real simple today. Eat some great food and have fun cooking.